So those of us that have been in the 100K challenge, I am very certain that you guys have learned a whole lot. Please, I want you to be able to ask your questions. I'm going to be on the group chat and I'm going to be looking for your questions. Ask your questions. If you have any challenge with anything, any of the days that we are talking about, please make sure you're able to tell us you have a challenge, tell us what your challenge is and how it is, and I'll be glad to help you. So remember, the goal and the objective of this challenge is to be able to guide you and hold you accountable and help you to commit to making sure you're consistent in looking out for ways to monetize your skill. It's easy to get lazy, especially when you already have a job. Some of you already have a job you're doing and your salaries are going to come by the end of the month. Some of you are in school, you're probably too busy thinking about what the lecturer is going to give you for exam, and you forget that your life and your finances really is a significant part of everything. And so our job is to be that reminder that it doesn't matter what job you're on today, it may not last forever. It doesn't matter what class or what level you are in school, it definitely wouldn't last forever. So do me a favor and make sure you watch every single one of the videos. Do yourself even a bigger favor and please make sure you take action. Don't just watch and learn. Ask questions, take action. I want to see you fail and then I want to see you succeed. And as you know, we are not afraid to fail. We just keep working, okay? It took me 7 years of consistent hard work to get the kind of results I have today. It should take you less. I'm putting everything I've learned within the 7 years alongside it. Like, I have done this day and night. To some of you who do not know, I left school and as soon in my 300 level, that was when I started doing all those things. I was still in school in my 300 level. That's when I started my first company. And I've been doing this since my 300 level, 7-8 years now to where I am today. And I haven't stopped. And I'm giving you all those experiences and knowledge in these very short videos. Please watch them. Please watch them, okay? So I do hope this is very helpful to you. I hope everything has been helpful. Please let me know what you think about the series of video, the 100K challenge. I know some of you are already getting results. If you already have started doing the things I told you to do, you should have been getting results or feedback. You're either going to succeed or fail. If you fail, it means you're going to succeed. If you don't fail, it means you should have succeeded or you will still succeed. What we know for sure is you don't have any option. You're going to make money, you're going to grow your skill, and you're going to get to a point where you can be able to help your family, your friends, the people around you with being valuable and contributing to economic value within your country, whether in Uganda, you're in Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Nigeria. You are doing all this to help you. This entire monetization course is completely free for you. The 100K challenge, as long as it has started whenever you're watching this, is completely free. Take advantage of it and make things happen for yourself. I'm personally rooting for you guys. I want to see 50 million people in my lifetime in Africa grounded in various digital skills. I want to see them make billions of dollars and grow the African economy into having trillion-dollar companies. I'm working my life out to make this happen, trusting God and having faith in His word and His covenant that I will see this in my lifetime. I want you to also have faith in God that you would also succeed and you would have very tremendous results from this. So we are rooting for you. My heart and all the love from the Skill to Scale team is just pumping and beating towards you guys. Please make it happen for yourself. Forget about us. Forget about the fact you did not pay for a training. If you're watching this video, it doesn't matter. Just go and grind it out there. Go and work. Get results. Make it happen for yourself. You have everything it takes. Those guys you see succeeding, whether they're driving cars or they're taking care of their parents or they're flying outside the country or they're building big businesses, they do not have two heads, neither do they have two souls. Everybody, we're all the same. You have the same capacity they have, so go and do the work. Don't let laziness, don't let a slow phone, bad laptop, bad screen, no data, don't let all those lousy excuses stop you. You can do it. I'm rooting for you, and your generation and your family is counting on you. So make it happen for yourself. Cheers, and I look forward to seeing you some other time. Bye.